Hey guys, how's it going? I took a little break from posting on YouTube and on my Instagram as I was moving into this new shop we got here. Still a little bit of a mess, but pretty much all moved in. A little office in there. A little update on everything. E30 6M3 sedan. That car should be going by the time this video's up, sold, gone, hopefully. Just bought this 318i sedan. It wasn't running and driving, but all it needed was a battery and I think a slave cylinder. So that car is ready to go. Hoping to do a swap with this one. Update on the most important car in here, the E30. Got some new fenders, eBay, whole hassle. Honestly, just spend a little bit more money on some OEM ones and save yourself the hassle of shipping and having them dented when they show up. So back on stock suspension, stock wheels. Just finished replacing the gas tank again as it was clogged. So I'm just waiting on a fuel pump to be delivered and the car should be ready to be driving again. If you haven't seen my video on the Garagistic Supreme shifter, make sure you go check it out. When you're doing the install, remember to remove the vibration dampener or the harmonic balance on the drive shaft. If you have one, it will not clear the shift linkage or a DSSR if that's what you're using. So save yourself the hassle and remove that while your drive shaft's out. That's pretty much it on the E30. I'm just waiting on parts from Europe. Waiting on some over fenders from the Dominican Republic, from JP Fiberglass. Still want to do an MTech 2 kit, so we're going to talk to Classic Euro Parts about that. And let's see, all these parts, most of these parts are for sale. If you guys don't follow my parts page on Instagram, at RageItParts, right there. And if you're not following the build for the E30, follow me on Instagram at TheMaskDriver. I just want to give a massive shout out to Ireland Engineering. I got a great deal on all their headers. I'm going to do some testing for them. So we got their race headers, we got their long tube headers, and we got some shorty headers all the way in the back there. Please excuse the mess. That's all packing material and stuff for shipping. I also want to give a massive shout out and thank you to all my sponsors. Mishimoto, Garagistic, ECS Tuning, PurOl, and Shadowline Motorsports. I can't thank them enough for helping out with the build. I wouldn't be able to do it without them. So please go give them a follow. Links in the description for all their pages. So go check it out. Also, if anyone's got a hookup on lighting, these bulbs need to go. Would love to switch to LED bulbs to really brighten up the shop. Also, if anyone knows a hookup on tools, this is my main tool set that I've been using for 2.5 years, so it's time to upgrade. Been using this upper Husky box, just got this lower one for more storage, but these are my main tools and I gotta do something about them. So, also last thing, anyone got to hook up on a 4-post lift, would love to put one over here. I can't put a 2-post lift in as I can't drill into the concrete, but 4-posts you don't have to drill into. Or quick jacks, those are cool. Those would be awesome too. So that's my shop. Welcome. All the videos will be filmed in here, posted from here. All the builds will be done here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.